This tutorial is going to show you how to add a new blog post and how to add a new job to the featured jobs section. Both the blog and featured jobs section work in much the same way, but we will go through them separately to avoid confusion. Expanding both the blog and featured jobs nodes, we can see they contain almost identical structures. This tutorial will be concentrating on the posts node and its child nodes. We can see that in both cases there is a year node containing month nodes. Year nodes can be created by right-clicking on the posts node and creating a year folder, which is the only option when clicking the create button. When right-clicking and selecting create on the year node, in this case 2013, we get three options. We can create a blog post, month folder, or a job. Creating a month folder is a good way to keep your jobs or blog posts organised, as these sections could fill up quickly. So I shall select month folder and create a new node for November. I will then click save and publish so that it is available on the website. As we are under the featured jobs node, the next option we shall look at is the job document type. Right-clicking on the November node and selecting the create option, I shall name it and select the job document type. We can now start to fill in the details of the new job by filling in the title, summary and body section. The body is where all the information is typed, with the summary designed for a short description or just the first paragraph of the body section, which is then displayed when looking through lists of jobs. Scrolling down, we can see four more sections which are important for any new job post, as the job cannot be published unless they have been filled in. These allow you to fill in important details about the job's sector, location, job type and start date information. With the information filled in, we shall now look at the Post Info tab. Here we can fill in details relating to the post, the post's author, the date it is being posted, and we can add the post to categories as well as giving it a tag. Categories are predefined, and to set them up you need to contact AVA with a list of categories you want included. You can now click Save and Publish and go to the Featured Jobs page on your website to see that the new job has been added. You can see that the summary is displayed when looking at the list of posts, but when selecting the post we get the important info and the information typed in the body box. And as the three latest posts are added to the Featured Jobs section, at the bottom of every page we can see it listed there as well. Returning to Umbraco, we can see that the month nodes are not in chronological order, as they have not been created that way. To sort them into a more logical order, select the parent node, in this case the year node 2013, right-click and select Sort. This brings up a window which allows you to drag and drop the months into the order you want. Clicking Save, we can see that the nodes have been reorganised into your selected order. We shall now move on to the blog post document type. Right-clicking and selecting Create on a month node under the blog node, select a blog post document type and label it appropriately. We again get the same title, summary and body section, which we can fill in. If we now click Save and Publish, we will get an error message telling us it has not been published because we have not filled in a mandatory field. Going to the Post Info tab, we can correct this by setting the post date that is required for publishing and fill in any other details whilst we are there before publishing again. Now we can go and load the blog page and see our new blog post at the top of the list. So the key points from this video are: only use the job document type in the featured job section and the blog post document type in the blog section. Month folders can help to keep posts organised. And if an error message occurs, make sure you fill in the mandatory fields before publishing again.